Hello. In this little film, I'm looking at using a Binnie Engineering skip wagon kit chassis. They sell them in packs of two as bolster wagon chassis to be used as bogies and anything else you want to use. I use assorted household tools and bits and pieces to put the kit together, and in this case I've used blue tack. I would normally use super glue to hold it together, but I was just testing things to see if it could run on the 00 track. It looks very good, but we have a big problem because the wheel flanges are far too coarse. On this particular Binnie kit, it's probably the coarsest wheel flanges they do. And on the SM32 track, they're ideal. I mean, they're almost impossible to derail as long as you don't hit them too hard. But as you can see now, there's a lot of, well, basically as it's bouncing over the chairs on the track. Not a very good situation. You can't really use these wheels. We'll have to sand the flanges down some more. Luckily, Binnie also do some coarse scale wheels. We have a flange which just about fits nicely onto the 00 track, and hopefully on this short bit of film now you'll be able to see it roll straight down the slope off the end and put it back on again. This is on the garden bench, which isn't that level. We're now going to go inside in a few moments and look at my little GN15 sort of shelf layout I have, and we're going to try out the coarse scale wheels on there. I mean, I'm very impressed with the way these run on this track. I thought they'd be hitting the chairs. This is just normal 00 track. It's set in tile cement, sort of plaster stuff. So there are one or two places that hits the plaster. But I can't remember what make of track this was. It was the cheapest that the shop sold, and the wheels run on it quite nicely and even fit through the points, which frankly amazes me. But yeah, that's good news in itself. Be able to use commercial points, fairly cheap ones as well. You see it. I have had one or two bits where it's fallen off the track, but I mean, on the whole, it's running very nicely. I'm very pleased with this. And we have even tried shunting the wheels along using the loco. I have a little umbilical cord running from the loco to a handheld battery box with a switch, direction switch, and a button that makes it go forward and backwards. The reason for this is I've never been very good at track laying in any of the smaller scales. So rather than worry about electrical continuity, particularly on a short track that just shunts backwards and forwards when you're sorting wagons, my use of control method works very well indeed. This line's normally used as a little shunting puzzle with 6 wagons and 3 sidings, but that will be the subject of another film. Thank you for watching, and well, hopefully there'll be another one soon. Hello. In this little film, I'm looking at using a Binnie Engineering skip wagon kit chassis. They sell them in packs